Wednesday, 10th of July 2024. Focus. He called to him his 12 disciples and gave them authority. The disciples accepted the call and the authority of Jesus as their mission. They healed the sick, drove out demons, and spread the good news to the ends of the earth. Today, Jesus calls each one of us as he did his disciples. We need not go to the ends of the earth, but begin from our homes. However, the lure of the world deafens us to Christ's call. Time and again, we should rise up and heed his voice. I remember the hymn, "The world stands in need of liberation." We all are called to play a part in this liberation. Parents, elders, teachers, politicians, lawmakers, professionals, and ordinary people, we must listen to our conscience, which is the voice of God calling us to make the world a better place. Many cruel conflicts have left our world in chaos. Powerful countries deafen themselves to the cries of the innocent, traumatized by the effects of war. But blessed are those few aid givers who selflessly provide for the suffering people in war-torn regions. These are they who have listened to Jesus' call to reach out. Each moment, Jesus asks us to be his hands and feet in the world. Pope Francis says, in prayer, God keeps calling us, opening our hearts to charity. We need to respond willingly. Fruit. I can remain true to my calling only by the grace of God.